Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact GDP release time and the market consensus versus the prior print. Once done, choose liquid instruments, EUR/USD, USD/JPY, S&P futures, so spreads stay tight. Make sure to calculate position size and risk per trade, then place OCO orders or defined entry limits to avoid manual delays. You should also set alerts for 30 and 5 minutes out. This prepares you to execute fast entry logic when the print hits, not to react emotionally. You monitor the live data feed and compare the headline GDP to consensus and revisions. Once the print is out, apply your rule. Scalp small deviations, ride directional momentum for large misses, or fade initial knee-jerk moves if structure invalidates. Make sure to execute with limit or immediate or cancel orders to control execution quality. After entry, trail stops and scale out in predefined chunks. Take 25% at first target, then 50%, then close. So you lock gain. You now finish by closing remaining positions according to your end-of-event plan or at your final target. Once closed, immediately log the trade details: actual print, consensus gap, slippage, and any deviations from your rules. Make sure to review the chart with annotations to improve the next trade. If things go wrong, unexpected volatility, news revisions, or execution slippage, pause trading for the session, review your logs, and reduce position sizes by half while tightening entry and stop rules before returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.